Y'all. Ooh, let's get into this hair, honey. Oh, come on out. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Too Real, and I'm back with another bomb hair video, y'all. This hair is from West Kiss, and y'all know I haven't did any hair reviews in so long. Like, I haven't been doing any wig reviews and stuff. But y'all, when I got this hair and put it in, I just had to show y'all how much I like this hair. This hair is like a deep wave, and it is from West Kiss hair, but it is a deep wave. I was gonna put mousse on it just to show y'all how the hair texture came, but y'all know I like big hair. So it is a curly texture, but it is like very fluffed out right now, and y'all know I love big hair. So I just couldn't, I was gonna put mousse on it for y'all on this video, but girl, I don't want it to be flat. I could do it and then, you know, but girl, I just wanted you to take in all of its glory right now, girl. This hair is so bomb, y'all. Oh my God. Come on out, let's get into the specs of this hair. Like I said before, this hair is from West Kiss hair, and it comes in a bag like so, and it comes with a cute pair of lashes, and the wig came in, you know, a standard little plastic bag, and it is 24 inches. It show you right here that it has a little 24-inch thing right here, and it is a lace frontal wig, so it is just lace in the front, and the back is like tracks. But y'all, and it's on a cap. It does have like 3 or 4 combs, and it has a comb in the back as well, y'all, and it has the straps. But y'all, this hair is so freaking pretty, y'all. I had stopped doing like a lot of hair reviews because I wanted to put me some faux locks in my hair, but I had to go ahead and wear this wig because it was so pretty. But y'all, I did bleach the knots, and I did glue my hair down using bow hold. But I bleached the knots, and then I sprayed this, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, darn it. Okay, there you go. It's the caramel lace tint. I did spray that on there, and then I used their bow hold skin protectant as well before I glued it down. And where is the, I'm gonna show you the exact bow hold. I use the active bow hold because I can't find it in here. But y'all, I was gonna use my Nairobi mousse to flatten this hair down, but girl, I can't, girl. I just like big hair too much. But y'all, another thing that was in the bag was this satin little, I did use it to tie my hair down and let my lace melt in, my glue melt into the lace, and it came out good. I did want to do baby hairs, but I cut some, but I didn't really lay them down. I kind of brushed them out because I didn't want that, you know, the stuck stiff baby hair look. But y'all, it's 24 inches. I'm gonna stand up and show you guys how long this hair is, and it go all the way. Let me step around so I can show you guys. Oh, it is so pretty, y'all. And when it's wet, y'all, when it's wet, it is so, oh girl, the curls are so bouncy when it's wet, girl. Oh my God, let's just take a look at this in all its glory, girl. Oh honey, look at them curls. It is a deep wave, and you know what, I'm gonna put some mousse, where's my mousse, on this so y'all can see, girl. But y'all know I got my wine too, hold on, because I'm about to do a story time after this. But let me y'all, I ran out of lemonade, so I did orange juice, and it's even better. Oh girl, let me put some mousse. I'm gonna take my Nairobi mousse, and I'm gonna take a piece of hair just so I can show you guys what the curl pattern is like when it's not fluffed out. just for y'all, girl. And as you can see, it's not tangling or nothing, girl. Oh, honey, this is so pretty. Ooh, girl. And it just gets so bounced, like the curls, y'all. It turned into ringlets when it gets soaking wet, girl. But the ends do not be stiff or nothing, girl. The curls are so pretty. But y'all, oh, honey, I'm just in love with this hair. I had to show y'all what it was looking like, y'all, because I think this is my favorite hair right now. It's so freaking pretty. It's just, oh, girl. Oh, I wish I could just, girl, I'm tempted to just go ahead and fill this hair up with a mousse and make it flat for you guys so y'all can see. But I do want definition on my ends, so I'm just putting mousse on my ends because I do like the fluffy look, but I do want definition just on the end parts of my hair. And as you can see, some curls are coming through after getting it wet. But girl, this hair is bomb as hell. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my new favorite hair. But y'all, West Kiss came through with this one now, because this is so pretty and it's so full, y'all. When it came out the bag, the curls was all uniform and pretty, and it was still full looking then. But girl, after I pulled this apart, baby, it gave me the Shaka Khan I was looking for, honey. Ooh, girl, I'm feeling like somebody, body. Girl, as y'all can see, I'm feeling myself. Oh, it's so pretty, girl. But anyway, y'all, let me know what you feel about this hair. Let me know if you like it, if you like the big look, girl, and it doesn't tangle, girl. And when you get it wet, you could just put your hands through it. It's not like that crunchy hair that I done had. As you can see, some of the curls, and you could tell how the curls look when it's wet. It's like I guess bigger than a kinky curl, but it's like a ringlet, y'all, and it is so pretty. Oh my god. But y'all, oh girl, I feel like I'm a little I'm looking foreign and whatnot. But y'all, let me know if you like this hair on me. I know y'all haven't been seeing me do hair reviews, and I know sometimes hair reviews, they everywhere and it could be a lot. But honey, from now on, like when I see some bomb hair, that's the only time I'm doing hair reviews. I'm not just filling my page up with that. Only if I really love the hair in it. And if I'm really in love with the hair like this, I had to do a video on this because the hair was so bomb. But y'all, thanks for subscribing to my channel and showing me some love. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace.